Fix Google Classroom stuck at loading screen. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart your PC. Relaunching the browser and restarting the PC is a simple solution that can resolve the issue. Method 2. Clear cache. Cache is a collection of temporary data that is stored on your computer or device by your browser or other applications. Disabling hardware acceleration in your browser can resolve this issue by forcing the browser to perform all tasks using the computer's central processing unit, CPU, rather than relying on hardware components. Method 4. Disable Secure DNS. Select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Under Security, go to Advanced. Turn off the Use Secure DNS option. Method 5. Reinstall your browser. A fresh installation of the browser will replace all related components, renewing all configurations and settings. This can help resolve any issues with the browser.